and welcome back to the Chanel. It's Leilani, finishing up getting ready as usual. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the Japan content from my trip recently. Like, girl, it has been months since I filmed a vlog here in my bedroom, but it really does feel so nice to be back home and just getting back into the routine. And yeah, I'm excited to do these kind of vlogs for you guys again. And obviously have to start off every morning with a nice cup of joe. I am indeed a coffee addict, and I like my coffee really strong, so I feel like I always end up getting the jitters. I just end up having a caffeine crash, and that really disrupts the flow of my work throughout the day. So recently, alongside of my coffee, I have been drinking these little green juice shots. This is the one I had this morning, so I brought a full bottle to show you guys. So this little drink here is Magic Mind, and this little bottle has seriously alleviated all the symptoms I have from drinking caffeine. And as you can see here on the side, this drink includes matcha, adaptogens, nootropics, and vitamins such as C and D, all for your immunity. And this has basically become my new morning ritual drink because this is like focus in a bottle. This has so many incredible ingredients jam-packed into here, such as L-theanine, which is actually found in matcha, so it's supposed to increase our attention and focus. And something I didn't realize about caffeine is that it blocks certain neuroreceptors in our brain that tell us that we're tired. So that's why I ended up having those caffeine crashes like 1 to 3 hours later after drinking my coffee. The L-theanine in the matcha actually helps prevent the full blocking of those neuroreceptors, so it gives you sustainable energy over time without that crash. So that has been incredible. Plus the nootropics in here help with procrastination and impulsivity. So this has been so helpful for my busier work days. I'm no longer distracted and mindlessly scrolling through social media. So I love the increase of focus and productivity without making me feel hyper. The adaptogens in here actually help to kind of calm and relax you. I actually tried Magic Mind around last year, and I don't know what they changed in this recipe or formulation, but the flavor is actually so good. This has become a part of my morning ritual that I really look forward to. So if y'all are tired of procrastinating and actually want to get stuff done, go ahead and try Magic Mind. You can use the link down in my description box, and make sure to use code LeilaniR20 and you can get up to 56% off of your first subscription. That is over half off. Like, you gotta jump on this discount. There's really no risk in trying because Magic Mind offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, you could get a 100% refund, no questions asked. So once again, use code LeilaniR20 at checkout and enjoy your Magic Mind. Alrighty, so today is actually quite the busy day for me. I have a lot on my to-do list, but first and foremost, we need to change out of the PJs or else I will stay in these all day. So I've somehow managed to still look like I'm wearing PJs, but I'm just having a chill work day at home. I got nowhere to be. Also, hello, this crew neck. I know you guys have seen it before, but I'm just still so obsessed with this. It's actually my boyfriend's. He thrifted this while we were still living in Japan. But TBH, out of everyone, this guy's probably me. Wow, that was gonna be a way cooler shot. Y'all can't even like see it. The day has come that I finally open up my new MacBook Air. This has been sitting in my room for weeks now. I just haven't had the time to get around to it. But the time has come, so let's go ahead and do an aesthetic little unboxing. Okay, let's go. Kikunya. Good boy. Oh my gosh, he's going to town. Alrighty friends, so I fed Kona and I actually made lunch for myself as well, because this entire time I thought that this computer was migrating to my new one, and it turns out that it hasn't. For being a content creator, I am so bad with technology, it's not even funny. Don't know how to fix this problem right now, so I'm just gonna clear this off my desk in the meantime because I do have other tasks I need to take care of today. So maybe you guys have heard from other YouTubers that right now YouTube is really pushing shorts, obviously to compete with TikTok, but I have never really made short form content. I will forever and always be a long form content girly, but in my analytics, I was so surprised to see that it said 80 to 100% of my audience does watch shorts. Kind of seems like the direction that most content creators have to go towards. So today I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna try to make my very first YouTube short, and I'm so excited because I'm going to be filming a little Miniso haul. So this isn't gonna be a regular old Miniso haul. This is actually going to be exclusively blind boxes. I have so many, I think I have about 9, but I do not have any gear to make short form content. I do not have a tripod that can hold my phone up, so I don't really know how I'm gonna set this up. I think I'm gonna have to get kind of creative. It's all kind of dawning on me now, so that's good. I'm not stressed at all, no. So let's clear off my desk and give it a go. Alright, so y'all are gonna get a little bit of a behind the scenes. So I was planning on filming this short on my phone, but like I said, I don't have a tripod that can do that. But I realized on this one, if I loosen this up a little bit, we can actually pop this into vertical mode. So I think I'm just gonna film on my camera. Oh, I'm really low on charge. Okay, I'm gonna switch the battery and attempt to film. Wish me luck. Oh my gosh. So here's the aftermath of my desk after opening all the mystery boxes. I'm gonna clean up a little bit and organize so you guys can see which ones I got. All right, bestie, so here's everything I got from the mystery boxes. It honestly looks like so much. So I ended up getting 3 cinema rolls and I got 4 My Melodies, which is a lot. But out of all of them, let me know which one is your guys' favorite. I'm kind of in between the little bunny My Melody and probably the sea-themed My Melody. This one is so cute. Also, the swing little cinema rolls, pretty iconic as well. My collection is slowly growing and so is my addiction. So there we go. I'm so thirsty. I kind of feel like I've been forgetting to drink water this whole day. She's a thirsty girl, yeah. So since I haven't figured out how to migrate my old computer to my new one, I'm thinking I might as well go ahead and start editing the Miniso blind box unboxing. Hey sister.
Hey sister.
Hey.
What video are you filming?
Just a vloggy vlog. Oh no, Conan, no! He jumped off my bed. I'm sad.
No.
I friends, just checking in. I had a really nice conversation with my sister on the phone. I'm really glad that you guys got to see a little bit more of her in the Japan vlog since we were traveling together. But anywho, I'm not sure if you guys know, but recently Bath & Body Works has been having their semi-annual sale. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm showing you guys so many things in this video. The last time I shared my Bath & Body Works items, you guys seemed to really like it. I honestly didn't get as much as I thought I would, so I'll just show you the few items that I got. Alrighty, let's get into it, shall we? Alright, so firstly, they were having a huge sale on their 3-wick candles. Each one was only $10.95, which is pretty good. First one that I got is a really classic signature Bath & Body Works scent. This is Champagne Toast. The main fragrance notes are bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. So good. And the second candle I got is just the cutest packaging. Like, look at this lid. It is glass. This one is Driftwood Waves. The main notes are crisp sandalwood, salted bergamot, and ocean air. It kind of smells a little vanilla-y to me as well, so it's really calming, super nice. The single wick was $5.95, but if I could find this scent in the 3-wick, I would have 100% gotten it. This is iced dragon fruit tea. This literally smells like a fruity boba tea that I would get. The main notes for this one are tropical dragon fruit, vibrant green tea, lemonade, and sweet coconut milk. Like, this is perfect. I need more of these. And I was running low on hand soap, so I actually got 3. One of them is already in the bathroom right now. But these ones I have here are Cactus Blossom. I have this in the candle. You guys already know I'm obsessed with this scent. The main notes are cactus flower petals, sun-kissed coconut, and sparkling lemon. Get your hands on some Cactus Blossom, yeah! Another iconic scent. This one is Strawberry Pound Cake. It's fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. This literally smells like a strawberry shortcake. It's phenomenal. So yeah, that's everything I got from the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. Oh my goodness, you guys, where has the time gone? I already had dinner with my parents, so now I'm just chilling and editing actually this video. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna take it pretty easy for the rest of the night. Maybe I'll watch a movie or something. But TBH, I just really want to watch The Little Mermaid again. And I'm talking about the new one that just came out. I've already seen it twice now, and I'm ready to see it a third time. My sister hasn't seen it yet, so I really want to go with her. Honestly, I did not have that high of expectations. I feel like Disney live action movies are really hit or miss. Let me know if any of you guys have seen it and what you thought about it. Like, even if you don't care about the movie that much, just go for Halle Bailey's voice alone. Chef's kiss. Alrighty, so the sun is starting to go down now, so I guess I'll leave it off here. But thank you guys so much for watching this chill working day at home. And also make sure to check out Magic Mind. Their link will be down in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!